If you struggle with food noise and are constantly thinking about food, then one thing to look into is how satiated you are. I'm a nutritionist and intuitive eating counselor with ADHD, and I work with people with ADHD. And by that, I mean, are you giving your body enough energy through food to do all the things that you need to do? And if you're not, then constantly thinking about food noise is going to be one way that your body is telling you that you need to eat more because it needs more energy to do all the things that you need to do. This can occur not only in how much you're eating, but the macronutrients you're eating. So you have like a bowl of pasta with tomato sauce for lunch. That is mostly only carbs. Your body is going to use the energy from the pasta and tomato sauce way faster than it would if you were to add fiber in the form of veggies and protein with ground beef. If you were to add those two things, then your body is going to be able to use the energy from that pasta, beef and veggies and sauce at a much more sustained rate than it would if you were to just have the pasta with tomato sauce. Another example would be you have like a fruit smoothie for breakfast. That's mostly sugar. There's some fiber in there and antioxidants and minerals and stuff. But again, that's mostly going to be carbohydrates in terms of macronutrients. So you want to be adding protein, maybe through Greek yogurt or protein powder. Then your body is going to be able to use the energy from that smoothie over a much longer period of time than it would if you were to just have a smoothie without any protein. Again, this is just one factor that is probably making constantly thinking about food noise a lot worse, because it is a sign that your body is telling you it needs more energy through food. And this is not necessarily how much you're eating, but it can be. A lot of the time it's going to be around whether you're giving your body the right amount of macronutrients. So not only just carbohydrates, but also protein, fat, and fiber too.